On this day in automotive history, January 1, New Year's Day, Robert Jankel, arguably the world's most famous designer of limousines, armored cars, and other specialty vehicles, was born on January 1, 1938. In 1972, he founded the automotive company Panther Westwinds in Weybridge, Surrey, England. The company was named Panther because of its similarity to the storied brand Jaguar, and Westwinds after the Jankel's family home. The company's first car, a prototype two-seater called the Panther J72, was powered by a Jaguar engine and modeled after the Jaguar SS100. In 1974, Jankel produced the Panther DeVille. The car looked remarkably like the J72, but with a faux Bugatti grille slapped on it. The DeVille cost twice as much as a Rolls-Royce Silver Shadow, and only the wealthiest of collectors with questionable tastes could afford it. The Panther Rio, launched 1 year later, was based on a Triumph Dolomite. The luxurious saloon cost 3 times as much as the Dolomite, however, and only 38 were produced. The best of the bunch was the 1977 Panther 6, a 2-seat roadster outfitted with 6 wheels and a 500 cubic inch Cadillac V8 with twin turbos. The drivetrain was taken from a Cadillac Eldorado and converted into a rear-wheel drive setup and mounted in the rear of the car. This package put out a reported 600 horsepower, but because of its high cost, unconventional design, and relative obscurity, only 2 were produced. One is reportedly in the Middle East, while the other was discovered in Greece, restored, and has been shown at high-end Concours.